Kingdom Monera, na? Nana?
Yes, sir. In final, only one question they will ask, na, sir, from Living World.
2 questions. Minimum or maximum. Most of the time, 2 questions.
Okay.
Okay. But in 2020, there is no, unfortunately, there is no single question from that. But in general, majority of times, 2 questions.
Okay.
Did you solve assignment?
Yes, sir. The fill in the blank.
We are doing so.
Doing how much time you will take? Huh?
Reading, na, sir.
No, you bother reading. Biological classification. Early systems of classifications are based on the
Lineage.
what, Nana?
Physical.
Morphological characters.
Uses and morphological characters. Okay. So early systems of classifications are born out depending upon the need of the organisms of their own use, food, shelter, and clothing. Later, slowly, for the first time, more scientific basis for classification was proposed by what is the who is the earliest to propose the most scientific basis for classification?
Aristotle.
Aristotle.
And he classified the plants into 3 groups. How many groups, Nana? 3 groups. Based on
Morphological characters.
simple, complex or simple?
Simple. Simple.
Simple morphological characters. Simple morphological characters, such as trees, shrubs, and
Herbs.
herbs. As the time passes, many systems are evolved. Okay, Nana? 2 kingdom, 3 kingdom, 4 kingdom, 5 kingdom, 6 kingdom system of classification. Okay, na? RH Whittaker. Okay, na? Why? RH
Yes.
Whittaker. He had the which
Viking.
cap na? Which cap?
Car have cap.
Which cap he wore? Are means green cap. He wore the green cap. And standing between the
Car.
two cars. Yes or no?
Yes.
RH Whittaker wearing the green cap and standing between the two cars. Okay, na?
Yes.
Two K. Okay, na? 3K, 4K, 5K, 6K. Okay?
Yes.
Corollas 1 Linnaeus, no?
Yes, sir.
Haeckel, no?
Okay.
Copeland, no? Name here itself is there.
Carlos.
Carl. Okay, na? Car, array cap, RH Whittaker car. So RH Whittaker, array cap पहन कर कहाँ है? Where he stood, ना? Between
Two cars.
two cars. Okay, na? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
And the two kingdom system, he included bacteria in plant kingdom and animal kingdom.
Animal kingdom.
And this fellow, he divided animals into animals that have which blood, Nana?
Red
Red
blood
blood.
cells.
He called it as a anaima. Without red blood,
E9.
enaima. Correct? Anaima means RBC. Without RBC, without. Okay, na? In all this system, which kingdom is stable?
Fifth kingdom.
Niyava. Plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Here, what is the new kingdom?
Protista.
Here, which is the new kingdom?
Monera.
Niyava, right?
Fungi, sir.
In 5 kingdom, fungi. In 4 kingdom, Monera, na, sir.
Oh, Monera. Monera, na?
Yes.
Here, Protista, Monera, Protista, Plante, and Mele. Here,
Fungi.
here,
Eubacteria, Archaeobacteria.
yes. This you remember. Okay, na? And remaining one, what is given in the textbook, you have to go through. Okay, na? And in two kingdom system of classification, what is the unified character considered? Cell wall. Yes or no, Anna? You
Yes,
consider the cell nature of the cell wall. So whichever the organism having the cell wall, you dump it into the kingdom Plantae. So because of that, bacteria and fungi was included under the kingdom.
Animalia.
But there is no distinction between the prokaryotic organisms and eukaryotic organisms. There is no distinction between the unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. There is no distinction between the photosynthetic organisms and non-photosynthetic organisms. Yes or no? In the case of
Two kingdom.
Two kingdom classification.
Chlamydomonas, is a unicellular one. Spirogyra is multicellular one. It is included within the plant kingdom. Fungi, non-photosynthetic, but it is included along with the non-photosynthetic. Cell wall is present, but chitinous cell wall is present, not cellulosic cell wall, but it is included along with the plants. So these all are the demerits of the Bentham, two kingdom system of classification. Next, in your syllabus, which one is given, Nana?
Five.
Yes.
Five kingdom system, no? In your syllabus, which one is given? Five kingdom system of classification. Who proposed five kingdom system of classification?
RH Whittaker.
R.H. Whittaker. How many characters he consider? Five characters. Yes, sir, no?
Yes, sir.
What are those five characters?
Cell structure, body structure.
More
Cell structure, body organization or thallus organization, mode of nutrition, mode of reproduction, and phylogenetic relationships. Okay, na? Five characters. Yes, sir, no?
Yes.
Five. Cell structure based on the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Okay, na? Is separated. Next, thallus organization. So, because of cell structure, kingdom Monera, and remaining are eukaryotes. So, four kingdoms comes under eukaryotes. Next, thallus organization or body organization. Unicellular form, multicellular form. Unicellular eukaryotes all included under Protista. Multicellular one distributed among kingdom fungi, kingdom plantae, kingdom animalia. Mode of reproduction we consider. Based on that we divided. And next one is the
Reproduction.
reproduction. So fungi is mainly based on mode of nutrition only. Till up to four kingdom it was under kingdom plantae only, no?
Yes, sir.
Fungi was in two kingdom plantae. In three kingdom plantae. Four kingdom co-plants also it is plantae. But Whittaker is separated fungi, given a special status as a kingdom because it is chitinous cell wall is present. And what is that, Nana? Heterotrophic mode of nutrition it is showing. That's why it is under kingdom fungi. It created based on mode of nutrition. Next is the reproduction. Last one is the phylogenetic or evolutionary relationship. These are the five characters considered by the R.H. Whittaker. And this is the most widely used system of classification. Whose system, Nana?
RH.
R.H. Whittaker system of classification. Okay. Kingdom of prokaryotes is known as
Monera.
Monera.
kingdom of unicellular eukaryotes.
Protista.
Protista.
Kingdom of eukaryote with cellulosic cell wall and photosynthetic mode of nutrition.
Plantae.
Plantae.
Kingdom of wall-less multicellular organism that
Animal.
shows holozoic mode of nutrition.
Animal.
Multicellular organism with chitinous cell wall that shows absorptive mode of nutrition.
Fungi.
Fungi.
Okay. Monera shows all different types of modes of nutrition except
Holozoic.
holozoic. Okay, na?
Yes.
Which are special monarians? Ancient living organisms, living fossils.
Archaebacteria.
Are special monarians. Okay, Nana? They are most ancient living fossil and they found in harsh habitat. Okay, na? They grow in salty areas known as halophiles. They grow in high temperature and acidic areas known as
Thermoacidophile.
swampy areas, marshy areas.
Methanogens.
So halophils, thermoacidophils, methanogens. These are three different types of.
Archaebacteria.
In these three cases, which are obligate anaerobes,
Two.
methanogens. Okay, na?
Even halophils.
They are obligate anaerobes. So they involved in production of
Methane.
methane, biogas, gobar gas. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And they found in midgut of
Buffalo.
Thousand buffalo.
cattle, ruminating animals, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
And in your book, there is one sentence there. Archaeobacter differs from bacteria having a different cell wall structure. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In the Telugu Academy, it is given cell membrane. That is also correct. Please. They differ in both cell wall and as well as cell membrane. Actually, in true bacteria, cell wall is made up of murin or peptidoglycan. Okay, na?
Okay.
But here, in the case of Archaeobacter, it is made up of pseudomurin. What is the name? What is the name? Pseudomurin. Pseudomurin. It is made up of Nag and Nag. Whereas true bacteria made up of murin. That murin is made of Nag and Nam. Okay, na? This is the difference. Next, in normal bacteria, cell membrane is bilayer lipid, unbranched bilayer lipid like this. Generally, bilayer. Cell membrane of prokaryotes is similar to that of eukaryotes. Cell membrane structure only, unbranched bilayer. But in the case of Archaeobacteria, monolayer is present. Monolayer. And it is branched. That is the characteristic feature of cell membrane of Archaeobacteria. This bit is there in the Telugu Academic Textbook. This is there in the Telugu Academic Textbook. So please go to this one. Very important. Next, if you see the eubacteria, they are simple in structure and complex in behavior. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Bacteria are sole members of kingdom Monera. Okay, na? And bacteria are the most abundant microorganisms. Bacteria are sole members of kingdom Monera. Bacteria are most abundant microorganisms. And most of the bacteria are chemoheterotrophs, decomposers, and bacteria are simple in structure and complex in behavior. Okay, na? As per NCERT, we should give priority here. The cell wall is made up of what, Nana? Given in your book, cell wall is made up of what? In bacteria, please tell me.
Peptidoglycan.
Peptidoglycan. Correct. What is the other name for peptidoglycan? Murin. Okay, na? Peptidoglycan or murin or mucopeptides. This you remember. Okay, na? And remaining one you can go through it. Majority of bacteria are autotrophs or chemoheterotrophs or
Chemoheterotrophs.
chemoheterotrophs. In that case, parasites are decomposers are
Decompose.
okay. While the only all prokaryotes are with cell wall, right? Right or wrong? All wall-less, listen. Almost all prokaryotes are, almost all monarians are with cell wall. Okay, na? Exceptional case, mycoplasma or PPLO. Okay, na? It is a wall-less pleiotropic bacteria. Why I said wall-less, no cell wall. Pleomorphic means it changes its shape depending upon the nutrient availability and environmental condition. It changes the shape. This you remember. And it is an obligate anaerobe. Obligate anaerobe means, Nana,
Cannot live in the presence of oxygen.
no.
And live in the presence without oxygen.
Actually, it is a aerobic. You got it, huh?
But it acts as anaerobic.
Even if oxygen is not available, certain conditions, it can also survive. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So it is an obligate aeroba, obligate anaeroba, facultative aeroba, facultative anaeroba.
Facultative anaerobic.
This word is important. And mycoplasma are pathogenic to animals, plants, and including human beings. And this mycoplasma part, see, bacteria, cyanobacteria, mycoplasma, actinomycetes. Kindly, you must read from the
Telugu Academy.
Telugu Academy textbook. Okay, now your syllabus is up to
Only Monera.
Monera.
Kingdom Monera.
so Monera. Very little information is there. Kindly, you must learn from the
Telugu Academy.
Telugu Academy.
Excuse me, sir. What's the difference between facultative and obligative, sir?
Obligate means strictly. Suppose aerobic bacteria is there. Two types. Obligate aerobes, facultative aerobes. Okay, na? Obligate aerobes means they can survive only in the presence of oxygen.
Oxygen.
Facultative means actually they are aerobes. Even they can survive in the absence of
Anaerobes. Anaerobic oxygen.
oxygen. Means it is leading now anaerobic life. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
If I am using facultative anaerobe, means definition should be opposite. Facultative anaerobe means actually they are
Anaerobic
they can survive in the presence of
oxygen.
okay. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So you must learn from where?
Telugu Academy.
Telugu Academy. And take the help of classwork notebook also. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
And the table is there, no? Very, very important. Hello. Characteristic feature 5 kingdom table is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You must go through. Because creating 50 questions is very, very difficult for the paper setter. Unwanted things, a little bit additional information also you can go. Okay, na? Be careful. Prepare thoroughly. Okay, na? Each and every corner. And including summary. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, go ahead, Nana. Any doubts you can ask. Okay? Bacteria multiply most commonly by
Binary food.
binary. During unfavorable condition, endosperm formation. Okay, na?
Sir, endosperm and cyst is same thing or different?
Different. Okay, na?
Sir, then when is cyst found?
Where?
In bacteria, sir.
Conditions. Even endosperm formation may be favorable or unfavorable, but in bacteria, unfavorable condition. Okay, na?
Sir,
Nana.
gross morphology means?
Huh?
Gross morphology.
All morphological features, root, stem, branch, leaf, petals, flower, fruit, tree, everything. Okay, na?
Okay.
Okay, Nara.
Yes, sir.
You can leave, Nana. Hello? You can leave.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I
you,
will
sir.
send the assignment, okay, na? I will send the assignment, Monera.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Prepare and come, please. Tomorrow I will ask questions, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.